Good morning, everyone. Today we are going kayaking at where? Silver Springs. And
We're gonna see some monkeys.
We're gonna see some monkeys. Yep, we're gonna see some monkeys and make it a little adventure for us today. So come join us. So we're kayaking. And yeah, it's really pretty. Let me flip this camera around. And here's Leanne. And we're in the river. I don't know what river this is, but the water's super clear.
Ooh, look at that turtle down there.
Ooh, I see a turtle. Oh no. Whoa.
Piggyback.
Right. It's really pretty. Look at this. No monkeys.
Yet.
Leanne's in charge. Look at that tree.
You know what it is? I have to continue to do my monkey call, I think.
Okay. Look at that tree. Nature's at its finest here in construction. Yeah, see, you would have just looped around. Ah, good to know. But no monkeys here because there's so much construction going on here. See? These guys are doing some construction. Somewhere there. There they are. And here. It's a nice bridge. There's a fish in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's big. Anyway, and it's following us. Here's Leanne with her amazing back. Those turtles, they're just chilling. Yep. And we're back out here. Apparently there's some gators out here. We just don't know where. There's a sign that says Springs Landing, Silver Springs Landing. Ow. And Leanne's back. That's all I get. I can't see her face. It's fine. There she is.
Hey, there's some more turtles.
There's turtles
There's a baby
eating.
one in front of the mama.
Oh, yep. I see that one. And there's one in the bushes over there in the tree trunk. There's one swimming. Oh, there it goes. All right, bye, turtle.
What turtles in this water?
He said they're gators. Where? I don't see them yet. There's a gator here somewhere. There he is. There's the gator. All right, we're at the mouth of the river. These girls are about to hit the thing. Here we are. This river looks so rivery. Remember you told us to stay on the edge. Of that. Here we are, edge of the river. That's the river. So we're going right. All right, Leanne's gonna make us go under this tree. I'm not gonna paddle. I'm gonna let her take control. And there's a turtle. The turtle's probably going, oh, I'm out.
Oh, the baby.
And the baby's brave.
The baby's real brave.
Oh, that tree is cool. It's almost like going through mangroves. And there's a boat. Yep. She just ran to one of those. Those have been fun. Just kidding.
Next time you come, we can rent a boat.
This bird is getting his tan on, drying himself up.
Those besties. On the bird.
All right, we're looking for monkeys. They're looking for manatees. We haven't seen any manatees yet. And we're going down this way. Check it out. Look how Leanne's doing a great job.
You see how the water lines on these trees?
Uh-huh.
That means the river was like all the way up there.
Probably.
Maybe that happened during the hurricanes?
Oh, when
It was all flooding?
excessive of water, when it floods.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is so cool. Saw one gator, 10,000 turtles, 10,000 fish,
And a partridge in a pear tree.
but yet no manatee and no monkeys. This is one calm river. So cool. There's a big gator right there, sitting there looking at us. He's a big boy. Look at that gator. Whoa, that thing is huge. Found another gator. There he is, or she, don't know. But the gator's right there, hidden really well. Good job, gator. There you are. It's a huge gator. Oh. Okay. Here's another gator. This one's huge. Look at that bad boy.
Oh, and then there's like one in the water to the left of it. It's smaller though.
Oh, it's inside the water?
You can see the tail.
Oh. There he is. That fish is following us. Okay, let's do it.
Whoa, did you see that fish over there?
Oh, that's a huge fish.
That's a fatty.
That is a fatty. And now we're gonna go to this way.
I'm gonna come kayaking through here more often. This one's really nice. Because the water's so clear, you can see so much.
Yeah.
Oh, another fatty over here. What
Oh, look at that.
Largemouth.
This, I don't know. Whoa. It's huge. And still no monkeys. We used to get one monkey. And there's a tour boat right there. Look at those pretty plants. That's pretty. Here's some pretty birds. Pretty ducks. So cute. Look at the water in here. Look how, oh, that's deep. Super deep, super blue. Wow, these spring waters. Wow. So cool. Whoa. We just finished kayaking. That was fun. Now we're gonna check out this area a little bit. Touristy spot. But overall, what do you think of the kayak?
It was a lot of fun.
Yep.
We didn't see any monkeys though.
No monkeys. We saw gators. A lot of turtles.
Gators,
Lot
and
of
lots of turtles.
Yep.
And lots of fish.
A lot of fish. So,
And lots of birds.
yeah, lots of birds. So, anywho, we're gonna walk down here and check this place out, and might record a little bit. All right. All right. This is the entrance. Get these awesome trees. Walking down this way. They have a fountain. We're walking through. These are the booths to do the glass tour boats. And then there's souvenirs. Could have brought Coda. No, not really.
She could go.
Yeah. Bathrooms. I was recording while I was cleaning the phone. Here's the welcome. I was recording while I was cleaning the phone, so the recorder was on.
Jeez.
This looks like a very shaded area on hot days like today. It is, what, 91 degrees today? Those are cool posters. Oh, they're pretty. Oh, so that's what it looks like. There's glass things underneath that thing. I didn't know that. So. There's the ice cream shop. Not very big. Oh, there's some ice cream inside in there too. Restrooms. They have pretzels. Do you have churros? No churros. We got ice cream. I didn't film us eating ice cream. I don't think people enjoy watching people eat. It's not a food channel. But we're walking the trail now. It's warm. It's getting warm. But we have our water bottles with us, so that's good.
And ice cream.
And ice cream. And now we're gonna walk this trail. Hopefully there's no gators on the trail. Saw a lot in the water. They're cooling off. They wouldn't be here. So yeah. Here's the trail. Here's all this beautifulness of Florida. Florida has a lot of springs. Ooh, a bridge. And a lizard. And there's a snake. That's a big
He's a good kind. He's not a bad kind.
We were just paddling in here. Now we're the opposite end of people walking along the trail.
Is that the area where that movie?
Yeah, that area where we saw the gar. And man-made bridge. This trail leads into this area, look like where they could do weddings, stuff like that. Really cool. Or a giant corporate picnic in the summertime. Yeah. Make your employees sweat it out.
They were doing it in December.
Walking down this easy trail, and there was a sign earlier that said, watch out for bears. We have to make ourselves look big if we do see a bear.
The bears in there?
Bear cave. Yep. It's a peaceful trail when you have the freeway right next to it. We're enjoying this little walk, little hike.
Still looking for monkeys.
And bears. We saw a snake earlier.
Yep.
And now we're walking down here. See how it goes. All right, we're done with this park. And now we're gonna get some food in Ocala. Maybe check out the village. Just kidding. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and give us a thumb up on this video. All right, bye everybody.
Bye.